Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about an animal, rabbit. Rabbits, also known as bunnies or bunny rabbits, are small mammals in the family Leporidae, which also contains the hares, of the order Lagomorpha, which also contains the pikas. Oryctolagus cuniculus includes the European rabbit species and its descendants, the world's 305 breeds of domestic rabbit. Sylvilagus includes 13 wild rabbit species, among them the 7 types of cottontail. The European rabbit, which has been introduced on every continent except Antarctica, is familiar throughout the world as a wild prey animal and is a domesticated form of livestock and pet. With its widespread effect on ecologies and cultures, the rabbit is in many areas of the world a part of daily life as food, clothing, a companion, and a source of artistic inspiration. Although once considered rodents, lagomorphs like rabbits have been discovered to have diverged separately and earlier than their rodent cousins and have a number of traits rodents like 2 extra incisors. A male rabbit is called a buck, a female is called a doe. An older term for an adult rabbit used until the 18th century is coney, derived ultimately from the Latin cuniculus, while rabbit once referred only to the young animals. Another term for a young rabbit is bunny, though this term is often applied informally, particularly by children, to rabbits generally, especially domestic ones. More recently, the term kit or kitten has been used to refer to a young rabbit. A group of rabbits is known as a colony or nest, or occasionally a warren, though this more commonly refers to where the rabbits live. A group of baby rabbits produced from a single mating is referred to as a litter, and a group of domestic rabbits living together is sometimes called a herd. The word rabbit itself derives from the Middle English rabbit, a borrowing from the Walloon robiti, which was a diminutive of the French or Middle Dutch robi. Rabbits and hares were formerly classified in the order Rodentia until 1912, when they were moved into a new order Lagomorpha. Order Lagomorpha, family Leporidae, genus Ecologies, bushman rabbit, and difference from many hares. The term rabbit is typically used for all Leporidae species excluding the genus Lepus. Rabbits have long been domesticated. Beginning in the Middle Ages, the European rabbit has been widely kept as livestock, starting in ancient Rome. Other domestic rabbit breeds have been developed primarily for the commercial fur trade, including the Rex, which has a short, plush coat. Because the rabbit's epiglottis is engaged over the soft palate except when swallowing, the rabbit is an obligate nasal breather. Rabbits have 2 sets of incisor teeth, one behind the other. This way they can be distinguished from rodents, with which they are often confused. Carolus Linnaeus originally grouped rabbits and rodents under the class Gladius. Later they were separated, as the scientific consensus is that many of their similarities were a result of convergent evolution. Recent DNA analysis and the discovery of a common ancestor has supported the view that they share a common lineage, so rabbits and rodents are now often grouped together in the superorder Glires. Since speed and agility are a rabbit's main defenses against predators, including the swift fox, rabbits have large hind leg bones and well-developed musculature. Though plenty great at rest, rabbits are on their toes while running, assuming a more digitigrade posture. Rabbits use their strong claws for digging and along with their teeth for defense. Each front foot has 4 toes plus a dew claw. Each hind foot has 4 toes but no dew claw. Most wild rabbits, especially compared to hares, have relatively full egg-shaped bodies. The soft coat of the wild rabbit is agouti in coloration or rarely melanistic, which aids in camouflage. The tail of the rabbit, with the exception of the cottontail species, is dark on top and white below. Cottontails have white on the top of their tails. As a result of the position of the eyes in its skull, The rabbit has a field of vision that encompasses nearly 360 degrees with just a small blind spot at the bridge of the nose. The anatomy of rabbits' hind limbs are structurally similar to that of other land mammals. So all these are the points from the species rabbits. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.